ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. Welcome back to YL tutorial. In today's video, we are going to discuss the important questions from the second chapter, Human Resource Planning and Job Analysis, of the second semester Bcom Human Capital Management subject. In this subject, the questions may be asked in a twisted or indirect way, so you must read the questions carefully before starting your answers. Most of the time, the question paper setter may not ask direct questions. Therefore, be careful while reading and writing your answers in the exam. This chapter carries a total weightage of 26 marks. 2 marks questions, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks. 8 marks question, 1 into 8 is equal to 8 marks. 14 marks question, 1 into 14 is equal to 14 marks. Now, let's see the important 2 marks, 8 marks and 14 marks questions from this chapter that may appear in the exam. Let us first discuss the most important 2 marks questions from this chapter. 2 marks important questions. First question, define human resource planning. Second question, what is demand forecasting? Third question, define supply forecasting. Fourth question, what is job analysis? Fifth question, define job description. Sixth question, define job specification. Seventh question, what are time and motion studies? Eighth question, what is AI in workforce planning? From these 8 questions, you may get any 2 questions in the exam. Now, let us discuss the most important 8 marks questions from this chapter. 8 marks important questions. First question, explain supply forecasting techniques. Second question, explain job analysis and its methods of collecting job information. Third question, differentiate between job description and job specification with examples. Fourth question, explain challenges in HR planning. Fifth question, discuss AI in workforce planning. From these 5 questions, you may get any 1 question in the exam. Now, let us discuss the most important 14 marks questions from this chapter. 14 marks important questions. First question, explain human resource planning and its process in detail. Second question, discuss demand and supply forecasting techniques. Third question, explain job analysis and the methods of collecting job information. Fourth question, differentiate between job description and job specification with examples. Fifth question, explain traditional and modern trends in workforce planning. From these 5 questions, you may get any 1 question in the exam. If you liked this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. Welcome back to YL tutorial. In today's video, we are going to discuss the important questions from the second chapter,